Hey guys, it's me, Colorful Fetish Creature. And I'm here right now in the school of my daughter. And I have to fix her, her grades over here. She cannot make it up because, her hyperacidity is attacking again. So I do it by myself. So here, now the school started right now here. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Later I'll come back there, just to buy something. Oh, this is Central Escolar University with Jesus Christ or something. Yeah, it's Jesus Christ. San Beda Church. Yeah, I have to walk in here going to my alma mater, which is La Consolacion College. I used to study there since 1995, and now I'm going back again. Oh, there's a McDonald's there, and I'll just go to grab some lunch. Lots of beggar in here, here in the Philippines. Oh, kitchens. Yeah. Magkano isang ganyan?
35 lang po.
35? Ganda. Magkano yung sunflower?
Ito po.
No. Ito.
150 lang.
Ito.
75 lang. Ito ang magkano? Pa? 75.
75 ito?
Opo.
As you made chicken, how much?
35 lang.
35 ito. Sino gumagawa?
Ako po.
Ikaw?
Pwede naman. Pwede magpa-customize. Yes. Yan, turn po lahat. Pwede magpa-customize, ma'am.
Madali ba mabasag to? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Sandali ah. Itong sunflower na to. Ang ganda nito.
35 lang.
35? Ay, ganito talaga siya.
Actually.
Wala nang iba pang ano to. Ito lang.
Ito ang ano.
Ah, magkano to?
35.
Siguro, ito na lang. Hindi na ito. Magkano ito?
75 lang. 35.
105. Ano mo lang kuya, ate. Kuya tuloy. Sandali inaano ko, sinasali ko lang sa vlog eh. Ganda oh. Sandali Ganda oh. Dali lang po ha.
Bakit hindi na lang?
105. Dali. Paano lang ho Bata. Ganda. Meron ka bang contact number?
Ay, sige na. Baka po nakadala ng calling card. Ito, sticker pa na lang.
Okay. 105.
Sa Facebook.
Facebook Ito. 105. Dali Wala kang 5 piso ha. Ate.
Ito na lang,
Ito. Anong 5 na yan?
Opo. Pwedeng ma'am, kung yung gusto mo ipa-customize, pwede color, design,
Guys,
tangled and lace.
Tangle and Breeze.
Facebook po.
Saan kayo students? From what school? Arellano kayo. You're all from Arellano? Yes.
Anong pangalan po sa vlog?
Colorful Feathers Creature. More on ano yan, yeah. Ganda. Itong ganito, magkano? Ito,
100
100 lang to? Can I see this one, ate?
Sure. Marami po mag-design sa ano po, sa Facebook po.
Guys, this one, she's making this customized flowers. Pakita ko. Yan, sige, thank you. Yeah, so, teka.
Valentine po ma'am, sobrang maganda.
Sige, maraming salamat. May sakit kasi anak ko ngayon, kaya ako lumabas. Ako ngayon na magpapa-enroll. Hindi naman enroll. Mag-i-inquire ka sa San Beda. Hirap. Dali lang, kaya. Wala lang, ugali ko lang talaga itong mag-video. Pero may YouTube channel ako. Ayan. Guys, can you see this one? Ganda, oh. And this is the one I purchased. Okay, ano name nyo?
Ami po.
Ami, okay. If you're looking for a customized flowers like this keychain, you can contact her. She's very good. Especially those my expat friends who was going back to their own countries, prospective countries. This one is cheaper, okay? Oh, there is also this one. You're very good. Saan province ka?
Pangasinan.
You're from Pangasinan. Okay. Anyway, thank you very much, ate, dito. Okay. Maraming salamat. Okay. Thank you.